Hi everyone, my name is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. Today I am going to share a tour of what? Which is Clappingo Spoken English application. In this video, I will share you how to use Clappingo Spoken English application step by step. Next, how to subscribe Clappingo. That means how to pay money for practicing spoken English on this application. And how to book a tutor on this application to practice your spoken English skill. Next, how to get free demo class for 15 minutes on this application and many more. So stay tuned with me. I am going to tell you how to use this application properly. First of all, you should know what is Clappingo. Clappingo is a spoken English application where you can learn spoken English and also you can practice your spoken English skill with a lot of Indian speaker. I have been using this application for 2 months and I realize my changes using this platform, and also I gain confidence in spoken English as well as fluency in this language. So today I am going to share you how to use Clappingo spoken English application. Let me show it through my mobile screen. Go to Play Store, type Clappingo, search. This is Clappingo spoken English application. Click on install. After installing, open this application. This is the interface of the app. Here you can get a free demo class for 15 minutes just at 1 Indian rupee. Only 1 Indian rupee. Now click on that option on the top left corner. Now log in, or if you are new, sign up. Type your mobile number by which you want to sign up. Then click on that option. Wait for OTP. OTP has come. Enter your OTP. Then you have to create a password. Then confirm your password. Click on update. Now your password updated successfully. Now you have to enter your name, your city, your profession, and also referral code. Please use my referral code to support me. Now you can select your level, beginner, intermediate or advanced. I choose intermediate, then click on setup option. Now your profile has been set up successfully. This is the interface of the Clappingo. Now click on that option. There are a lot of options like home, upcoming session, past session, plans and pricing, refer and earn, Clappingo wallet, my account, and share your feedback, and lastly log out. If you select home, the interface will come. Then if you select upcoming session, it looks like this, coming soon, because you did not subscribe this application yet. As the previous one, it looks like coming soon. Now if you want to subscribe Clappingo, then click on plans and pricing. There are a lot of various plans on Clappingo like this. You can choose 15 minutes or 25 minutes. Then you can choose 1 day per week or 3 days per week or 5 days per week or 7 days per week, and you can choose for 1 month and also for 3 months. Now I select 15 minutes for 5 days for a month. Now I have to pay 3469 Indian rupees, including 18% GST charges. Now you have to select book option. You have to put an email. Then after typing your email, click on proceed. Then there are a lot of options like card, UPI, net banking, wallet, EMI, I select card. Then I have to put my card number here and also all the necessaries. Then you have to click pay option. Now I have already subscribed Clappingo, that's why I cancelled it. Then click on that option and select refer and earn. You have to choose allow. Now you can refer it. You can get 100 INR in your Clappingo wallet when your friend subscribed with Clappingo. Click on that option. As you did not share this application to anyone, that's why it shows zero balance. Then you can click my account. Then your profile will come like this. Then click on share your feedback. Whatever problem you are facing with Clappingo, you can type here. The Clappingo team will solve it within 2 hours. Or you can share your review about this application. Now back to the page, you can select change password. To change the current password, you have to type your old password, then your new password, then update. Now I am going to share how to select a tutor for conversation. Click on book option, then this page will come. You can select date and time slots when you want to practice your spoken English skill with Clappingo tutors. There are a lot of Indian tutors are available. I select 3rd March Wednesday. Then it looks like this. Now I select this time slot. Then these tutors are available on that time slot. Then I select Sambhavi Madam. Then I have to click on book option. Then there are two options. I select from 6 pm to 6:25 pm. Now my session has been booked. You look, my upcoming sessions is here on 3rd March from 6 pm to 6:25 pm. And look, Clappingo sent a message. Look like this. Your Clappingo session has been created. Now on 6 pm you have to click join button. Now here is video library. Clappingo provides a lot of recorded video contents at free of cost. And click on this message sign. Then this interface will come. Here you can directly send messages to the Clappingo team. Let them know what problem you are facing. Then they will resolve it as soon as possible. And click on this option, get 100 INR in your Clappingo wallet when your friend subscribed Clappingo. If you want to log out this application, click on logout option. So this is the tour of Clappingo Spoken English application. If this video is knowledgeable to you, please give a like because it motivates me to upload a lot of videos like this. And share to your friends as well as your family members. And please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro and press the bell icon because whenever I will upload the video, it reaches you fast. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment below. On the other hand, feel free to send messages on Instagram. The user ID is Iconic Indro. I will provide the link in this description. You can follow me on Facebook page, that is also Iconic Indro. I will provide the link in this description. Stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.